don't have an exact like reference that I'm kind of going off of. If you saw, well, if I probably cut it out. I cut myself with my ruler. Okay, the shorts are big. I feel like in my brain it's gonna be cute, so we're about to find out whether or not this actually looks good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. In today's Sewmas video, I am making a pajama set. I don't really have much of a reference to show, so you'll just have to watch the video to see what I designed and what I made. But I felt like this would be a really cute gift because I feel like loungewear is really fun and comfortable to wear. And yeah, I know that I don't have much loungewear and I thought that I would love a pajama set. So that is what I'm making for today's Sewmas video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. For this Sewmas video, I am going to be making a pajama set because I feel like that could be a really cute gift idea for someone, or just to make for yourself because it's nice to wear loungewear and I think pajama sets are cute. So I don't have an exact like reference that I'm kind of going off of. I have this one thing that's like similar to the idea that I have, so I'm going to get ready and sketch out what I'm thinking and then from there make the pattern. Even though I will say for the top it's just going to be a tank top, so I'm probably just going to use a like tank top pattern that I already have, but for the bottom, for the shorts, I will be making that. Okay, so this gives an idea of what I'm thinking. So I'm leaning more towards this one where I kind of like curve the bottom. I'm not really sure how it would work, but like I don't know if it would look good or not, but I was kind of thinking like a curve where it like goes this way here and then it goes out. I don't know. But yeah, so the shorts, I want them to be flowy or like not fitted and I want them to have a ruffle on the bottom, whether or not I go with either one, and then the top, tank top with ruffles on the sleeves. So I'm going to get ready and draft the shorts, and I will show you which pattern that I'm using for the top, and then I will cut it out. Okay, so these are the pattern pieces. This is just a tank top pattern. I don't really know where I forgot when I made it, but if I find that video, I'll link it somewhere. These are the shorts, and for the shorts, I don't know if you saw, well, if I probably cut it out. I cut myself with my ruler that is broken because I stepped on it. Like, it was a whole thing. I stepped on it multiple times, and there was like a point where it was just like hanging on by like one thread, and then there was just like one final blow that did it. Anyways, I cut my finger using it while drafting the pattern. But for the shorts, I drafted a pair of shorts that I have, and the pair of shorts I have are pretty old, so I made the pattern a little bit bigger, and also I have the bottom flare out just a little bit, like it's an inch longer than up there because I don't want it to be like too dramatic, but I feel like that will be good. So now I'm going to cut it out of the fabric. Okay, this is the fabric that I'm going to be using. I have it sprawled out to make sure I have enough. I think I have enough. I think it'll be cutting it close with making the ruffles because I wanted to use the spiral method that I used when I made the like asymmetrical Fashion Nova dress, because I just feel like that would give a more like flouncy, like dainty, I don't think those are like the best word choices, type of ruffle for this, since it's supposed to be like sleepwear, loungewear. So I don't know, I'm gonna cut this out, and then if I have to do a gathered ruffle, I will do that instead. But I'm gonna cut out the top and the shorts and construct that and then go from there. Also for the shorts, I know I said that I kind of want to like make the bottom wavy. I'm gonna wait to do that once the shorts are constructed because I don't want to cut it out on this pattern, like this pattern piece, and then it just looks awful when I construct it, so I'm just waiting for that. Okay, before I sew anything together, I'm gonna iron it because as you can tell, it is very wrinkly, and I just want to make sure that everything is like the correct length and not like wonky because I left it wrinkly. Okay, I know that I've sewn shorts on here before, but I feel like I must say it every time. I sew crotches to crotch, so the like curved part, and then once I have the front and back pieces, I will sew it like front and back. I don't know if that exactly made sense, but yeah, the curved pieces together for both the front and the back pieces, and then front and back together. Okay, the shorts are big, but especially the top. So I marked an inch and with disappearing ink, so I'm gonna do a stitch down there on both sides, taking it in just a little bit because I still want the bottom to be big, and I think like the angle in which it intersects won't puckle much or won't look bad. So I'm gonna stitch that, see if I like it, and if I do, I'm gonna serge it, and then I'm gonna get ready to do the waistband. Okay, I have 4 points on the waistband marked with pins, and I have those marked to the corresponding points on the shorts, so I'm going to sew it around and I'm going to stretch the waistband to fit the shorts, and then I will see if I want to do any cutting on the bottom afterwards. Okay, I ended up adding an elastic, and I used a little bit of this method that I saw on TikTok where instead of overlapping these, I sewed them onto a scrap piece of fabric, so there won't be as much bulk, so yeah. Okay, so I marked with the dots the shape that I'm thinking of. I don't really know if it's going to be a good idea, but I think I'm just going to full send and do it because I feel like in my brain it's going to be cute. So we're about to find out whether or not this actually looks good. Okay, so I made a spiral kind of by measuring out a circle by just like marking all the points equal distance from the center, and then just drew out. So I'm gonna cut out one and see how long it is because I'm kind of bad at like calculating. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut out one and see how much it is, and then cut out another one or like more from there. Okay, I forgot to say, I feel like cutting the shorts like in the wavy pattern was the right move. I feel like it's kind of subtle, but I like how it looks. For the ruffle, I just pinned it to the shorts and then like sewed it together. And for the extra, I used the extra of that ruffle for the sleeve instead of cutting out another spiral. So I'm gonna do that for the other side of the shorts and for the sleeve. And then I will hem everything, and I think that's it. For the shirt, I am going to cut it a little bit because it's a little bit long. I don't want it to be cropped, but it's like pretty long. So yeah, after that, I'm gonna hem it and I think it should be done. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. I thought that this was really cute, and I think the fabric I used is very comfortable, so I can't wait to just wear this around, wear it to go to bed, whatever. And I also feel like it paired really well with the robe that I made a few years ago, the fur-lined robe. So I thought this was a great project. I think it's great to make for yourself or to make for someone else. So I really hope you liked it, and stay tuned for the rest of Sewmas. Until next time, bye guys.